So I have the most beautiful ballet going on right now in my makerspace, such as it is. So I've got the older, I guess Mark II is what it would be called, the Monoprice Maker Select Plus, and my pride and joy, my new Mark III. But it's really cool being able to take on some larger multi-part pieces and have both printers working on them at the same time. It's kind of fun. I could just sit and watch this for hours. In fact, probably I could hand carve this wooden box faster than it's going to print, but then I wouldn't be able to watch it print. So initially I thought, you know what, it'll be cool to have a printer to print parts for my other printer, but it really does open up the possibility of being able to make much larger multi-component pieces once you get them calibrated properly. I struggled for a few weeks with doing that and trying to get pieces from the older printer to fit together with pieces from the newer printer, and that was challenging just because the calibration was not the same on both of them, but I got that sorted out. So this is my makerspace, and it's kind of cool. I've got LEDs that change color, supposedly somewhere. Yeah. So still left to do. I'm gonna figure out some way with an Arduino, I think, to have this lighting change based on variables, either the print temperature or perhaps the percentage complete, just so I can kind of walk past the room and see what's going on by looking at the light. Yeah, I know, there's a screen on both of them, but it'd be really cool to have the LEDs do that for me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, guys.